Hi, it's Emily. Today we're going to talk about how to play high notes piano. The first thing I want to say is that we tend to think that playing piano means that we will need to put less energy in our playing, but it's a false assumption. You need to have a very strong support when you want to play piano, especially in the high register. It's almost easier to play loud because when you play loud, you just have to open everything and let it out, When you play piano, you have to send less air, but at the same speed. You have to keep the hole with your lips small, and you have to feel that around your body. It's like this belt that is going with a lot of control. And the other thing I would say is use your head voice. Playing the flute and singing is very similar. So if you sing a low note, let's say you put your hand here and you sing a low note, your chest vibrates. So you take your chest voice. When you sing a high note, la 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 la, there's no vibration here. La la la, it's in the head. It's the same thing when you play the flute. You have to feel that it's resonating in your head. So air support with the belt all around your body. It's not just in front, it's all around. The whole chest, the whole rib cage is, you can imagine your ribs or even feel your ribs going a bit away from each other when you breathe in and then coming back very slowly and back towards each other while you breathe out. So what I like to do is practice in rice shirts, 7 daily exercise opus 5, and we will leave the link in the description below because it's in the public domain. You can just go and print it. I like the number 2, and I will just do the first one in C major. It's an arpeggio. I do it an octave higher, and I do it super slowly and piano. The point is not to go fast here. It's really to listen to your sound and get the softest, nicest sound, and very, very legato. I focus a lot on the legato when I practice that. So I'll play it once. When you practice that, you can redo an interval if you're not happy with it. You can really look for that sound and try to be self-aware, not self-conscious, which is very different. So try to notice what you're doing that brings you the best sound, that makes it as legato as possible, as piano. If you're looking for something pure, how do you do it? I realize that when I want to get a high note, very piano, I tend to open the back of my mouth, feel as if there was an egg or something like this. And sometimes I go back a little bit with my head. Maybe for someone else it would be another experience. You have to look for it and try to be aware and remember what works. And you'll still have to look for it, because sometimes we forget to do it sometimes. But when we're aware, it's easier to get it back if another day it doesn't sound the way we want it to sound. So that's a very good exercise that you can do to improve your piano and legato in the 3rd octave. You can take any of those exercises in the number 2 in rice shirt and play them the octave higher, or sometimes the octave as written. It depends how high you can go when you play. And remember, it's very soft, very legato. Another exercise that I like to do to practice playing piano in the high register is to play a note very, very soft. I'll start from an F, and then I'll play again the F with a P as an attack, not a T, not just a P. And I'll go up to F sharp, and then I'll do it again all the way up to the high B or C. I'll see where I stop. So that's a good exercise, and also you can try to feel where the air has to hit on the embouchure exactly. There's a precise spot, and you'll feel it, and you'll feel how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comment, please leave it below because I love reading them. If you like the video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and see you next time.